So today I had my debut red carpet moment. Oh hello! Catch me if you can, because we are in. So it's day 4 and we have our train from Nice to Cannes, and we're gonna spend like 4-5 hours there in Cannes, and then from there we have our train from Cannes to Antibes, and then we're gonna spend like 3-4 hours in Antibes, and then we're gonna come back to Nice. So we thought like before going to the train station we'll be going to the pharmacy, because we both are like bloody sunburned. I never thought it's going to be a problem here. And my entire left shoulder, can you see? बदन दिखा रही है. My entire left shoulder is freaking red. तेरी भी जली ना. And it was aching so much during the night when it was rubbing through the clothes or anything. So today I thought I'll cover myself up, and then also we thought of buying this after sun cream, and then maybe we'll buy like a new sunscreen lotion, because the sunscreen lotion that I had was having 30 SPF. I think that's not enough for the sun here, so maybe we will buy more SPF, 50 SPF or even more than that, because on my face I was using SPF 50 and my face was not burned. It's tanned but not burned. I think my entire shoulder, even this t-shirt, it's rubbing against that thing. It's aching so much. We will take our train now and we'll see you in Cannes.
ट्रांजिशन वीडियो बनाने में ना 4 घंटे लग जाते हैं. मुझे तो लग जाते हैं, मुझे बाकियों का नहीं पता.
Finally, we are on time. Let's go. Come. Oh fuck, there's some problem in his ticket. Am I going alone?
A few inches later.
So after 30 minutes of train, we have reached to Cannes, and first thing we're gonna do is we are going to this vegan place and we're gonna have some food there, because we both are really hungry. Wherever we go, we travel, we try to at least have 1 or 2 times the vegan food. It's actually really tasty. We try to support the vegan business. Everybody should do that.
मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था, तू तो राम निकला रे, देव मानुस निकला रे.
We have ordered 1 green burger and the Nova taco and the Thai inspired salad, and he's waiting to eat. Look at the damage. How is it? Awesome. So we are done with our lunch slash breakfast slash brunch, and I think we have outdone ourselves, because the food was extremely tasty, fresh, and so much of satiating. And now we are going to La Croisette, which is by the sea, and it's like the most fashionable street here in French Riviera. So we have reached La Croisette, and it's the most expensive neighborhood in the French Riviera, and you can see Louis Vuitton here. पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है. Look at the beach. I think those are the private beaches, right? Oh, this is actually a sand beach. This is the first sand beach I've seen. Miracle! Leave the freaking luxury.
बड़ी ताकत है गरीबी में.
Oh hello! Catch me if you can, because we are in Cannes.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु. छी इतना रट्टीपन साला चलता है मुझसे.
Catch me if you can, because we are in Cannes.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा, चल.
Dolce & Gabbana. You can see all of the luxurious outlet by the sea. Like it's like crossing like this. All of this is filled with luxury. These These all are the private beaches. And I think that's the casino. Ah, this is that famous beach, La Plage du Festival. If you're coming to Cannes, you can book this hotel, Carlson, here and get the best view of the city. Finally, we have reached to the Palais du Festive, which is the place for the Cannes Film Festival, and these are the red carpets. And this is going to be my red carpet debut today. I don't think so today I'm gonna get my red carpet moment. It's so crowded. Everybody's waiting. So this is going to be my debut red carpet moment. I had my debut red carpet moment, and actually this place is actually really disappointing, because in videos and everything it looks really royal and nice, and this is like any other auditorium. I think, what about your reviews? Look at the car we found on our way. That's the casino we were looking at that time, and we found it here. If I would have had some money, I would have gone there, but I feel like my life is on rent. I'm living.
बाबा टाइम बहुत खराब आ गया है.
Now we are walking towards the old town called La Suquette, and we'll see what's there. There are like some good buildings, good shops. We're gonna explore that, and then after that we'll go to the palace. Some palace, I forgot the name. Yeah, whatever, maybe we'll search it. This is La Suquette. Arrived to the La Suquette, which is the old town, and nothing is there. Everything is so old, quiet and calm.
It's the old town or ghost
This
town?
is a town from the 11th century. It looks like one. I think we can go here also. Come. They are like medieval sort of gardens, but it doesn't look like medieval sort of garden. It was supposed to be like the place is surrounded by the medieval garden sort of a thing. But lag nahi raha aisa hai. Maybe we'll go down. Maybe we'll go this side. There's a lot of people coming here. I think on the top, from the part we have come, it was all the old town, and the other place which we had to see, Musée de la Caste. I think that is the Musée de la Caste, and the Notre Dame is also here. Oh, that's pretty. That's Musée de la Caste, right? Oh, we found the Musée de la Caste. Florence de Cannes. It looks like pretty old sort of a thing. I think that's the Notre Dame, no? Look at the city, man. So beautiful. It's the Canton bar. Other way around. This is Place de la Caste. मेरे को इसमें बैठना है. It's a restaurant actually. There's a way we can go on the top of that place. So we are sitting here on the top of the Cannes city, and I can see the casino. Wait, can you? Yeah, can you see the casino? That's from where we have come. Ooh, that is the casino. You can see the entire can from here. He's standing. That's the difference from the back of the hand and the front of the. Oh wait.
3 colors.
3 colors. And show. This one. Put your watch. Oh shit. Even I have tanned a lot. तुम्हें sunburn हो रहा है? Foreigners वाली problem है. Foreigners वाली. अंग्रेज वाली problem कैसे हो रही है तुम्हें? हाँ? Look at the garment. Actual balconies है. हाँ. It's all painted. Beautiful. चलो चलिए.
बुलावा आया है माता दी.
Look at the bus. All of these buses are, I don't know, some painted and everything. Some art, man. That's the Hotel de Ville, which you can find almost everywhere in France. They have put the lock here also. Can you come here? Jung lag gayi inke pyar mein bhai. And look at the place while we were sitting, dancing there, and it's so crowded at the moment. So we have again come back to the beach side. And now we're gonna go back to the train station, and from here we'll go back to Antibes, and we're leaving Cannes, and this is it for the video in Cannes, because I'm ending this video at the moment because I can. So that's why I'm ending this video. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next in Antibes. Bye bye. So it's day 4 and we are gonna go to and it was aching so much in the night. चलो हाँ सीधे से. Okay. अब हम